Specifically to math, Sydney had a really hard time because she felt like she couldn't do it, so she didn't try to do it. So she would get really, really frustrated. We had a lot of long nights. I was on YouTube trying to pull up videos to try to understand the concept myself so that I could help her. Sometimes when I would show her how I was taught, the teacher would say, well, it's new math, it's different. It made me feel bad because as parents, it's our job to fix it. It's our job to help. And I was doing everything I knew to help, but it just wasn't enough. Better Than Average has helped us to get over that hump. It made me feel good to see Sydney gain those grade levels when it came to math. But I think the moment that was the best for us was when she came home and she was like, Mom, I got an A, I got an A on the test, I got an A in the class. So I felt really good as a parent, but more importantly, made me feel good to see her feel good.